house. I don't know.
Oh God.
I don't know.
Okay, here, take the baby.
No, I'll find a way.
I'll get it.
Oh, one of its feathers is all the way up.
I got it. Here. Don't let it peck the baby.
I'm not gonna let it peck the baby. I'm
I'm
not
gonna
that
throw
fun.
it at it. Oh, you pooped.
Don't hurt it, Nathan. I'll kill you if you do.
It looks like it.
Oh,
what's
your
on
baby
its
stinks.
wing?
Your baby
What's on
stinks.
its wing?
Nothing. That's just the feathers out.
Oh God, how are we supposed to get this out?
I have no idea. Look how heavy it's
Grab it,
breathing. It's in
Mommy.
shock. It's
It's
like,
up to you. Cause I'm not touching that.
oh, my mom's gonna try catching it.
Bring Logan a little more back. I'll hold him for you.
Take him.
Let's go. We gotta watch it. You just totaled me. Holy shit! That should be a beam.
Oh, God.
That should be a beam. It flies through the window and totally misses.
Where'd it go?
That should
It's
be
gone.
A beam. That should be a beam. It flies and it just hits the top. That's a total meme.
How's it a meme?
I don't know.
Where'd the cat go that
Total
chased it in here?
fail.
Where'd the cat go that chased it in here? Spike!
He's on the camper.
No, he's right there.
Run away!
Spike, come here! Spike! Here we go. Do-do-do-do-do. Nee, 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 nee. Come here, dummy. What did you do? What did you do? What happened? Let's go back inside. You naughty kitty. Oh. Bad cat. This is the cat that caused all the trouble.
Maddie, remember from the chills? I got it! I don't got it. Fucking, there's feathers all over here.
Spike, no.
He had to have carried it in.
Maybe he did.
Look.
Feather,
Feathers everywhere. Maddie,
So, yeah.
Maddie, if you get enter, I'm
I'm
gonna
going upstairs.
I didn't make feathers here.
He had to have carried it in from upstairs. And I didn't even notice him walk by with it.
Me either.
Oh.
Logan's on the right side.
So yeah, that was that.